The Desktop and Screensaver panel lets you choose the desktop image and a screensaver. There are a variety of desktop images that ship with Mac OS X, and you can choose the categories here. You can choose items from your Pictures folder. You can also add your own folders to the choices, and from those folders pick images. The default Mac OS X Leopard image is the Aurora, but there are a number of others. You can choose them. You can also choose to change the picture, and you can see in the background here those images are going to change every 5 seconds, which I think is rather frequent, but you may choose to do that. This appears almost like a screensaver, except it's happening behind what you are doing in your windows. You can also choose other options, such as a new desktop pattern whenever you're waking from sleep, every day when you log in, and you can choose random orders for the images from whatever folder it is that you have selected. But I do not want to change the picture. I'm happy with the Aurora, so that's the desktop image that I will use. Now, the screensaver has a variety of aspects to it. Screensavers started from the notion that on CRTs you could burn in an image on the CRT if the same image, or text for that matter, appeared on the screen for long periods of time, like hours and hours over a period of days. Many automatic teller machines, for example, have an image of the home screen, welcome to such and such a bank, burned into the screen. It's not an illusion. The pixels are burned into that CRT screen inside the teller machine. So screensavers started from the notion of preventing pixel burn-in. And now you can choose them in a variety of ways. Here are the various photos you can use. You can choose here how the different photos appear. This is a different type of presentation as the photos in each set are cycled through. There's movement on the screen, originally, as I said, to prevent pixel burn-in. You can decide when a screensaver starts, and you get a warning if you have set it up so that the energy saver preferences will put the display to sleep before the screensaver has a chance to kick in, because then you'll never see the screensaver. The different types of screensavers have their own options that you can set. And I can, for example, show the names on these images. I can test a screensaver by clicking Test, and I see what the screensaver will look like. And if I click, then I'm back in the preferences. Some screensavers integrate with the internet. For example, an RSS visualizer reads an RSS news feed, and I can select one, and you can see it running here. What happens is it is reading stories from the Washington Post and displaying them. If I go into full screen mode, you will see stories that it has picked up from today, and it even has the ability to read more about the story. This is an interesting type of screensaver, especially if you have a computer that's in a public area where you want to provide something that's interesting, moving, and informative without actually needing to use the computer. So that's how you set up desktop images and the screensaver.